Hey there, have you ever encountered the problem of trying to figure out how to fix a certain issue on your device, but not knowing where to start? Well, today we're going to discuss a common problem that many people face when dealing with technology. The solution to this problem lies in breaking it down into smaller, more manageable steps. By doing this, you could troubleshoot the issue more effectively and work towards finding a solution in a structured way. It's important to remain calm and patient throughout the process, as getting frustrated will only make things more challenging. Sometimes, the solution may require doing some research online to find out how others have successfully resolved similar issues. Online forums and tech support websites can be excellent resources for troubleshooting tips and step-by-step guides to help you navigate through the problem. In summary, when faced with a tech problem, remember to take a deep breath, break it down into smaller steps, and do some research if needed. By following these simple guidelines, you'll be well on your way to finding a solution and getting your device back up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your own tech trouble stories. We'd love to hear from you.